That is the sound of a Cadillac Lapin. Oui, monsieur. I am Gagnon. For Chantine Muscaret.
My brother was asking me how to get to my field. Told him you can't get there from here.
Can't wait for supper. Eating some baked beans and some good old red snappers.
Let's go to downtown and get some wicked good hot pocket.
Buttery flavored crust.
Like it!
All right, let's get into it. Welcome to episode 2 Foot of Off the Narrow Rails with Dan and Daria. I am Dan, train master here at the Wiscasset, Waterville, and Farmington.
I'm Daria, not the train master at the Wiscasset, Waterville, and Farmington.
Here we are. We're gearing up for this coming weekend. August 22nd, we have our Mount Rainier Scenic Appreciation Day / burns me to say it, but the Seattle Seahawks for winning the Super Bowl this past year.
Allegedly.
Go Pats.
Allegedly.
Rigged. But trains will be running this Saturday, 11, 1, and 3. And yeah,
It'll be up here in Alna, Maine.
Alna, Maine. But yeah, so that should be a fun day. I don't know what that cone ever did to him.
At least we actually have a turntable to hit.
Yeah, and he hit it.
Landed perfectly. And now it's a hat.
Speaking of throwing things out,
Yes.
we have this coming Sunday as well.
Yes. We got the Railroads Helping Railroads,
Yes.
where it'll be the one day for Whitewater, the Whitewater Railroad in Connersville, Indiana, as they had a very devastating flood. So this Sunday, August 23rd, we'll be donating profits from our trains at 11 and 1, once again in Alna, Maine.
Alna, Maine.
To be donated to them and, be a helping hand. And yeah, proceeds to both days will go to their respected causes.
That's good. Proceeds for all ticket sales will go to both.
Mm-hmm.
Great.
Not that Mount Rainier actually needs it for their track. For over here, it's pretty good. Hey, speaking of track, how's it going?
Have you ever taken a canoe down a flight of stairs? Pretty much it.
That's not where the right-of-way is.
Right away that way, bud.
That's the parking lot.
Yeah.
I wonder whose car he's gonna beat up. Bang! Actually, speaking of other railways, I went on this grand tour with my buddy Lauren.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You want to know who I met?
Who?
Alan Maples.
Oh, that's a shot.
Yep. To just spill it
This
over
episode is brought to you by Moxie. Or, well, we wish we were sponsored. Maybe Catawissa will do it in the future?
Maybe. Because our crew is young and full of moxie.
There's a friggin' car in the way. Come on, guys, let's go up to camp. I'm done shooting.
I think that's a good idea. Let's go up to camp.
Let's go. Hope he gets the eggs.
Oh, we got our egg.
And that wraps up this episode of Off the Narrow Rails. A huge thank you to our totally real, definitely not made up sponsor, Alna Switching Services. Save 15% or more on damaged equipment when switching with ass. Alna Switching Services. We put the ass in Wiscasset.
Alna, Maine.
Alna, Maine.